Looking to install a car amplifier without the hassle of hunting down every single part? The Stinger 4-gauge Mini ANL amp installation kit is designed to simplify your upgrade, delivering everything you need in one convenient package. With high-quality materials and thoughtful design, this kit ensures your amplifier gets the power and signal it demands, no compromises. What sets this kit apart is its full copper wiring, not the cheaper CCA, copper-clad aluminum, you often find in budget kits. That means better conductivity and less power loss, which translates to stronger, cleaner sound from your amplifier. The 17-foot translucent blue power wire and 3-foot translucent silver ground wire both feature fine copper strands for excellent current transfer. Plus, the 17-foot translucent twisted pair RCA interconnects guarantee noise-free signal transmission, so your music stays crisp and clear. Beyond the wiring, the kit includes a 3-foot black flex loom to protect your cables and keep your installation neat. The 16-foot blue remote turn-on wire lets your amplifier power up smoothly with your stereo. It also comes with a water-resistant high-current fuse holder and terminals, ensuring safety and durability even in tough conditions. This all-in-one package covers everything you need to install a 2-channel amplifier quickly and confidently. Users from across the U.S. praise the quality of this kit, especially highlighting the genuine copper power wire. One review points out that none of the wires are CCA, which is a big plus for performance and longevity. The fuse holder is solid, though some recommend swapping out the included large fuse for an 80A or 60A fuse that better matches your amplifier's specs. Still, the overall value is clear. This kit offers premium components without breaking the bank. If you want a straightforward, reliable way to power your next car amplifier, this Stinger kit is worth a look. It removes the guesswork and the need to source multiple parts separately. Everything you get is built to deliver consistent power and clean signals, so your audio upgrade sounds as good as it looks. Try it when you're ready to take your car sound system to the next level with confidence.